The Mesa Fire and Medical Department offers free vaccinations for children who are uninsured, so they have no insurance at all. They have an insurance plan that doesn't cover vaccinations at all. If they are covered by Access or Medicare, or if they are Native American or Alaskan Native born, they're also eligible for our vaccinations, and in those cases they are free. All of the other children who do have insurance that covers vaccination, we do recommend they see their private physician to get those vaccinations. Right. So what we are seeing now that we do have children who are not receiving their vaccinations, and when we see that, we have little groups of people, little pockets of in the cities and across the state of measles outbreaks. We're seeing chickenpox outbreaks. We're also seeing mumps cases start to develop again, and those we're seeing because parents are choosing not to vaccinate their children. So what we say is it's better to vaccinate your children and protect them than to see them struggle to breathe from pertussis or to see them struggle with a difficult, painful rash of measles. There really has been no clinical proof that there's any sort of danger in getting vaccinations at all, even multiple vaccinations all at once. Children are exposed to all kinds of antigens or bacteria and things they put in their body, and they're fighting off thousands of those every single day. Well, getting an immunization is sort of the same thing. We're introducing a foreign body into their system so that their body learns to fight it off and protect themselves against those diseases. So there's really been no evidence that there's any harm from getting vaccinations at all. The Mesa Fire and Medical Department obtains their free vaccinations through a program called Vaccines for Children. It's a federal program that does provide vaccinations for free to children that are eligible for those vaccines. So once again, they're uninsured. Their insurance doesn't cover vaccinations. If they have access or if they're Native American or Alaskan Native born, they are eligible for this federal vaccine program that Mesa Fire and Medical Department is a part of. What we do recommend also for parents, if they're unsure, they don't know what to do, whether or not they should immunize their kids, they have questions at all, they're welcome to come to our immunization clinics. We do have nurses on staff that would be more than happy to provide them information and answer any questions they may have regarding immunizations for their children.